Welcome to JH. HelloBit claims to be a global digital asset trading platform for professional traders, boasting over 40 cryptocurrency products and positioning itself as a leading international service provider. It all sounds very impressive if you enjoy reading fiction, but let's see if there's any reality behind the marketing fluff. The first red flag is that HelloBit doesn't share a single shred of ownership or executive information on its website. Because nothing screams trustworthy financial institution like a total lack of accountability. They also operate across multiple domains, many of which have already been flagged for fraud by Cloudflare. To make matters more suspicious, these sites are hosted on Alibaba Cloud, suggesting ties to China, a detail that should definitely make you pause given how these investment scams typically operate. If the anonymity doesn't scare you, perhaps the international law enforcement will. HelloBit has already caught the attention of financial authorities who actually do their jobs. Spain's CNMV issued a securities fraud warning in March 2025, and New Zealand's FMA followed suit by officially listing them as a fraudulent investment scheme in April. So, this isn't just a misunderstanding. It's been officially voted most likely to steal your savings by two different countries. Another major issue is that HelloBit doesn't actually have any real products or services to sell. Promoters are only allowed to market the membership itself, which is a classic Ponzi-style setup for people who find actual investing too complicated. The platform requires investors to deposit Tether with the promise of passive returns, utilizing a three-level recruitment scheme that is conveniently hidden from the public. To keep the charade going, HelloBit uses a click-a-button app scheme in collaboration with a Telegram channel called TSQ Investment Group. Investors are told to follow trading signals by clicking buttons inside the app, but here's the plot twist. The trades aren't real. The platform just recycles money from new victims to pay off earlier ones. It's a mechanism we've seen fail spectacularly with other scams like MTS Foundation and QTCP Coin, which left investors with nothing but a very expensive lesson in digital buttons. Looking at the bigger picture, HelloBit appears to be part of a much larger network of organized crime operating out of Southeast Asia, including Cambodia and Myanmar. Despite various arrests, these click-a-button Ponzi's keep popping up like digital weeds, making the risk incredibly high. So is HelloBit legit? That's a hard no. Between the fraudulent domains, regulatory warnings, and lack of transparency, all signs point to a scam wearing a professional-looking suit. If you invest here, there's a very high chance you'll lose your money, and getting it back is about as likely as finding an honest man in a pyramid scheme. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want to stay updated on safe and actually legit crypto opportunities, make sure to subscribe for more updates.